Does calling a bill something make it true? The Biden administration is calling the legislation the Inflation Reduction Act, but critics say it will actually increase inflation. With the Senate split 50-50 along party lines, Kamala Harris cast the tie-breaking vote.
The Vice President votes in the affirmative, and the bill, as amended, is passed.
Democrats celebrated the $740 billion legislation, calling it historic.
Our bill reduces inflation, lowers costs, creates millions of manufacturing jobs, enhances our energy security, and is the boldest climate package in U.S. history.
The bill is supposed to slash prescription drug costs, fund green energy with a massive injection of $370 billion, and raise the minimum corporate tax to 15%. It also increases the Internal Revenue Service's budget six-fold, allowing it to hire 80,000 more auditors and agents. The bill's name claims it lowers inflation, but according to researchers at the University of Pennsylvania's Wharton budget model, the Inflation Reduction Act will not do anything to change inflation in the long term and will actually add to inflation until 2024.
It says it would reduce the deficit by $100 billion. We're going to spend almost $1 trillion. It's not going to help inflation. It's going to make everything worse.
The Conservative Tax Foundation says the bill would increase taxes on those in every income group and reduce economic growth.
American families actually see the impact of what happens whenever you put new taxes on our economy. Now, they talk about it being on big corporations, but big corporations raise prices. They do pass it all down.
Republicans say Democrats will pay the price in this fall's midterm elections for passing the massive spending bill.
The Democrats know they're in trouble when you have to pass the Inflation Reduction Act. That would suggest that there is inflation, which we all know there is.
This bill does still have to clear the House before it gets to Joe Biden's desk, but Democrats are hoping to wrap it up this week. Hurd, CBN News.